So hello everyone, today I will show my designer team kit. So you can say that it's my craft haul. Yeah, you can see this festive blush, then this is the vellum sheet which is sent by Swati Craft Corner. It's a very good quality cardstock, you can see. And this one is a special thing for me. It's a Swati Craft Corner t-shirt. And Christmas carols, wedding gift, essential. Wow, so excited to work with these all beauties you can see. And thank you so much Swati Di for sending me this designer team kit. Now I will show you the paper pack. This one is a newly launched festive blush paper pack, and there is a 8 design, and per design 3 sheets are there. Oh, so beautiful. You can see this diyas, mandala, heart, this lotus, one embellishment, two embellishment sheets and one sentiment sheets there. Oh, so beautiful, you can see. Right now it's a Subviva collection, which is my most favorite one. See this haldi ceremony, then mehndi, and look at this bright color, wow. Then sindur rasam, then fere, sangeet. These are the normal background which you can use for your as a background paper. This bidai rasam, you can use this sheet as a tag. And these are the 2 element sheets at there. You can see the Hindi and English both sentiments are there. Now it's a essential by Swati Craft Corner. You can use this paper pack as a background also. It's really a very beautiful paper pack. You can see the color combination is too good. You can combine this paper pack with your other paper pack also. Now this one is a Christmas carols. You know that Christmas is near. So yeah, Christmas carol by Swati select collection. See this Santa, Christmas trees, then jingle bell ring. Wow, so beautiful. This car window and all. You can use this one as a tag sheet individually. Wow, it's my favorite one. And look at this element sheets. It's a beautiful. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye.